Hello guys, it's Theo. Today I'll be showing you how to upload a video recording on Canvas. On dashboard, you're gonna go into the course you want to upload the video to. You're gonna click discussions. You're gonna click the assignment that your professor told you to upload the video for. After you do that, you're gonna scroll down after you read the details of what should be said in the video. You're gonna hit reply. You're gonna scroll down, you're gonna see the upload, record, media. After you click that icon and you click upload/record media, you can upload a pre-recorded video if you do have one. If you want to record off of your computer, you can just hit record. After you do that, you can just press start recording. You can say what you want to say. After you're done, you hit finish, save media. You can watch it. If you don't like it, you can undo it. But that's it. You can just hit reply and then your video should be submitted to your professor.